Google just dropped something, and honestly, it's a little scary how good it is. What if you never had to film a video again? What if Google just built an AI that does the whole thing for you? No camera, no editing, no timeline, just a document goes in and a finished video comes out. Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around because this one is real and it's live right now. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. So here's what actually happened. Google added a brand new feature to Notebook LM called Short Video Overviews. If you've never used Notebook LM, it's Google's research tool. You upload your documents, your notes, your PDFs, your links, and it turns all of that into different formats for you. Things like summaries and audio conversations. Now it does video too. This isn't even the first video feature Notebook LM has had. It already had video overviews, which are narrated slides walking through your sources, and cinematic video overviews, which are longer and more polished. But now there's a third option, and this one's built specifically for your phone. Short video overviews are 60-second vertical videos. Portrait mode, exactly like a reel or a short. You pick a source or even just a concept from inside your source, and Notebook LM writes the script, picks out the visuals, adds the narration, and builds you a finished vertical video. There's no filming involved, no editing, no timeline for you to sit there and touch. And here's the part that matters most. This isn't some generic AI video generator that just makes stuff up out of nowhere. The video stays grounded in your own sources. So if you uploaded your own notes, your own research, your own documents, the video it builds is based on what you actually gave it. That's a massive difference from a lot of the AI video tools floating around right now that just hallucinate whatever sounds good. I wanted to see this for myself instead of just reading about it, so I went and tried it. Inside Notebook LM, there is a section called Video Overview, and that's exactly where this new short format lives. I opened up a notebook I had sitting there, went into the studio panel, chose Video Overview, and set the format to short. Then I hit Generate. Notebook LM read through my sources, wrote a script, picked out visuals, added an AI voiceover, and built me a 60-second vertical video walking through the whole thing. I just clicked one button and waited. That's genuinely it. Now let's talk about why this is bigger than just a cool new feature. Think about how much time creators, students, and teams waste turning long documents into something people will actually sit and watch. A 40-page report, a course handout, a meeting doc that nobody ever actually reads. Normally that means someone has to sit down, read the whole thing, pull out the key points, write a script, record it, edit it, and then post it. Notebook LM just collapsed that entire process down into a single click. It's not replacing your creativity here, it's removing the boring middle part, the part where you're staring at a blank timeline trying to turn a wall of text into something people will actually stop scrolling for. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. It also changes how you can reuse your own knowledge. If you've already written a report, a strategy doc, or even just a set of notes, you don't have to start from zero to turn that into a video. You already did the thinking part. Notebook LM just translates it into a format that's built for how people actually watch things now, which is fast, vertical, and on their phone. This is also a signal of where things are heading overall. Google isn't stopping at text summaries or audio anymore. One source, uploaded one single time, can now become audio text flashcards and a short vertical video, all from the exact same notebook. That's Google quietly building an entire pipeline that turns raw information into whatever format actually fits the moment you need it. Now, a few honest things to know before you go try this yourself. First, there's a 60-second limit, and that's tight. It means the video is built to explain one single concept clearly, not your entire document from top to bottom. Think of it less like a full lesson and more like an index card, a quick way to get the gist before you actually dive into the full source yourself. If your document covers 5 different ideas, you're better off generating 5 short videos, one for each idea, instead of expecting one video to cover everything at once. Second, AI narration can smooth over details or slightly overstate things sometimes, the same way we've already seen with audio overviews. So if you're using this for something you're putting your own name on, always double check the outputs against your original source before you publish it or present it anywhere. Treat it like a fast draft, not a finished fact check. And third, the quality you get out depends heavily on what you put in. If your source document is messy or you throw in a pile of random unrelated links, the video will still look polished on the surface, but the actual content underneath won't be as sharp. Curating a handful of strong, relevant sources before you generate is going to give you a much better result every single time. So who is this actually useful for right now? Students can turn lecture notes or textbook chapters into quick concept reviews before an exam. Teams can turn a long report into a short, shareable clip to bring straight into a meeting. Anyone making educational content can use it to draft ideas fast as a starting point before adding their own polish on top. And honestly, if you're just trying to understand a brand new topic quickly, it's a solid way to get oriented before you sit down and read the full thing yourself. This is still early. It's rolling out gradually, subscribers first, English only for now, but the direction here is crystal clear. AI tools are moving away from just answering questions and moving toward actually producing finished content for you based on material you already have sitting around. That's a shift worth paying real attention to, because the tools that do this well are going to save people an enormous amount of time on the exact parts of content creation that used to be the most tedious and time consuming. If you want more breakdowns like this one, where I cut through the noise and just tell you what actually matters in AI, hit subscribe, because there's a lot more coming. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.